If you're looking to get a tattoo, bang, right there. They call this the repair plant, little car repair place. When's the last time you saw a 67 VW bus? And then inside he got a real old Chevy in there too, if you guys can see it. Y'all see that old Chevy? Y'all see that old Chevy. Another parking area. Now I wonder if these parking areas are government enforced or are they privately owned? Because that sounds like something you might be able to get some real estate into and then open like a parking lot. Passive income. You know what I'm saying? Especially in like one of these areas like this. You find a developing area, new homes and stuff like that getting built. Hit that parking lot right over there. Now this area was super cool. So we found this spot in here called the Fixers Club. And like, yeah, like a full-blown cobbler. Like, look, like he's a full-blown cobbler. He's got the leather, the replacement stuff. Like he's a cobbler. He's a shoemaker. And he's got merch.
Really? Not shoemaker.
You just repair?
Just fix.
Repair, okay.
Okay. Hey, that's cool though. Because that's a skill. That's a skill not a lot of people have.
It's a dying skill.
It is a dying breed of skills, man. But then I love how he's got his own merch. Like nowhere else in the world. And I'm glad I'm in Japan.
I love this.
Like, look, Air Force and the Fixers, that's hard. The Fixers Shoe Repair Company. I'm in a shoe repair store buying merch. Like, how cool is this? With the Run DMC, Jam Master Jay. Look, the Fixers, Marilyn Monroe. Yeah, nah, this is crazy. Thank you.
YouTube?
YouTube, yes.
Wow.
Yes, that's my job.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What's up? YouTube channel.
So, I'll write it for you.
Yeah.
Or you have phone? Scan the QR.
Oh, it's a QR
Yeah,
code.
so
Sick.
YouTube gives you QR codes for your page
Oh.
so you can share your channel. So you go to your channel, switch accounts here, switch account, the World Traveler from LV,
Nice.
Drewski's Travels, and you go to view channel, share, QR code. Here you go.
Hi. Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Drewski's Travels. You got to see this shop, the Fixers. You guys, I'm telling you this. Look at these bags, bro. This, like, the merch in here is so cool. I didn't even realize we're in a shoe repair store. I just thought this was a cool looking store. The Fixers Club. It just looks something exclusive, like the Fixers Club. Like, that don't sound like something I had never. Like a clothing brand or a shoe brand. It's a whole thing. Y'all, this has to be the coolest experience here. And then he shot us. Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah, definitely
Thank
follow
you
on
so
Instagram.
much. Yes, you're gonna get a follow.
Thank you. Yeah, you can put it in mine.
Yes, environmentally friendly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Regato.
Have a good day.
Whoop. How we go to the shoe repair store and find the drip. Like, the man's got his own merch. I don't know, man. That whole place was just a little vibe. You know what I'm talking about? Super swaggy. Glad I found this place. I got a jacket from inside here. We got gifted some stickers. We are going to be following on Instagram. We got a QR code to scan so we can follow them on Instagram. So we're going to find that out. Now we are going to find boba and a few other things and call it an hour and a half back home.